Has a timer as well. That goes 360. Well, that's actually 60, not 360. And that's 90 degrees. And then that's 120. And it has a pretty strong breeze when it goes. But it is a very beautiful color. Also, where the remote goes up there, which is this, which needs a triple A battery. Those are actually buttons up there just in case you lose this. And then it goes, if it lets me show you, it goes 360. So it's pretty decent. And then that's the back, of course. And then these pieces you actually screw at the bottom. But that's also it going 360. And I'm just gonna turn it off and put that up here, which is perfect. And then showing the bottom down here is actually where you screw in the 6 screws that they give you to keep it together, which is actually a good idea.
So this is a fan for about $150. Very tall. Can see that it's on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's like number 2. It's very quiet. Here it is, up to 8. It's on, but all that good air. It can also take not very loud and noisy. Oh, that's so good. It can rotate. It's very easy to put together. It comes basically together already. You can change it. It has a sleep mode, even quieter. It'll do this thing. A little more kick, but overall, it's great. Worth the money. Very worth the money.
Almost like a air conditioner that you put in your window. It's very cooling and really nice, especially if you don't have like real air conditioning and you have a window unit, because it does like blow cold air. I would definitely buy this rather than putting ice cubes and water and stuff all the time. The unit. I give it like 10 stars. Feels wonderful.
You can hear the fan is not going. Nothing's coming out, but it's on. Oscillation works, so it'll go in a circle. It's just doing the hokey pokey because it's not blowing any air. Gonna contact the seller, see what they'll do, if anything, and I'll update my review from there. It's on, but it's not circulating, no air. Everything else works but the air. Less than 24 hours. Super quiet on the highest setting.
Well, seems you had some trouble on the road. You wouldn't know what happened.
Still hear the TV.
He was taken at my command.
Affect the sound
Answer
at
to
all.
his crimes.
Very noisy.
As you can see, they put a bag in there with no screws, so an empty bag. So I don't know how my fan is gonna stand up.